In recent times, this anonymous YouTube channel has amassed a substantial earnings of over $155,000 by sharing uncomplicated motivational content. What's particularly intriguing is that this channel was established just 3 to 4 months ago. A noteworthy achievement is the second video, which has garnered an astonishing 1 million views. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to create your very own automated YouTube channel, eliminating the need for a workforce. I've discovered a set of AI tools that can streamline the entire process. To substantiate these claims, here's a brief excerpt from a video I created in just 15 minutes, surpassing the 1 million views that Stoic Bond's video achieved. We find ourselves at the cusp of daily rebirth. It is in these moments that the wisdom of Stoicism can anchor us, not merely to endure the day, but to embrace it with. In addition to revealing the 5 crucial steps for crafting such videos, I'll also share a valuable tip at the end. A tip gleaned from managing multiple anonymous YouTube channels. Normally, individuals pay hefty sums for this knowledge by enrolling in courses. So, be sure to stay tuned. Finding video topics. Let's commence with the initial step. Coming up with an idea and a script. As for the idea, I suggest starting with tried and tested concepts. This involves drawing inspiration from well-performing videos on YouTube. For this demonstration, I'll use the same concept video with 1 million views. 7 things you should do every morning. Script generation. To craft the script, we'll leverage the finest AI tool available, ChatGPT. It's preferable to use ChatGPT-4 for optimal results, but the specific version isn't critical. Begin by opening a new chat. I've prepared an ideal prompt that tailors the script to the style of Stoicism channels. It's quite extensive, so I'll include it in the description. Your task is to replace this section with your own topic, and the script will be generated accordingly. Now, let's send the prompt. Since I've already entered my topic, you can see that it generates the complete script with a tone reminiscent of ancient wisdom, perfect for Stoicism channels. The remarkable aspect is that this prompt also references Stoic luminaries like Marcus Aurelius, enhancing the content's quality. When crafting your actual videos, strive for a script length of approximately 1,500 to 1,600 words, translating to an 8-minute duration. This is crucial because it significantly boosts RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, for longer videos. Creating voiceovers. Moving on to the next step in our blueprint. Voice generation. Instead of investing substantial sums in a human voiceover artist, I've identified top-tier AI text-to-speech software with a voice that perfectly fits the tone and style required. Ordinarily, finding such a voice or hiring an artist could cost over $600 for 2,500 words, which is exorbitant. The platform in question is 11 Labs. Create a free account and navigate to the voice library. You can listen to voice samples to find the most suitable one. The ideal voice for these videos is Marcus, recognized for its authoritative and deep tonality. Let's listen to a sample.
In the tranquil moments of the morning.
This voice aligns perfectly with our requirements. Fortunately, there's no need to make adjustments here. I'll paste my script and click Generate. The voiceover will now be generated in segments. Allow it some time to complete the entire narration. Once it's done, click the download button in the bottom right corner. For those serious about launching a channel of this nature, consider organizing your files into a dedicated channel folder. Within that, create a separate folder for video assets and place your voiceover file there. I'll be utilizing Midjourney, which offers a feature enabling the creation of multiple images in a consistent style. You can use any free alternative software like Canva or Adobe Firefly too, as long as you obtain suitable images. The choice of software is flexible. I've already generated a style seed for this video type, and I'll include the specific Midjourney prompt in the description. If you're using a different tool, be sure to remove the section at the end that reads Style, followed by random numbers. This information is also accessible in my Discord server for the channel. If you're keen on learning such techniques and gaining early access to my strategies, join the server. The link is provided in the description. Download all the images and place them in the video folder. Video assembly. Now, let's proceed to assemble all the components, a process that only takes a few minutes when following this method. I recommend using Canva, as it's user-friendly, intuitive, and free. Start by visiting the Canva website. Click Create and select YouTube Gaming Video. This action will provide you with a blank canvas. The initial step involves inserting your AI-generated images into different pages. To accomplish this, click Uploads on the left-hand side, then select Upload Files, and insert them onto the pages by selecting the blank canvas and then adding the image. Adjust the duration for which each image is displayed. You can choose the duration that best suits your video. I'll opt for 10 seconds per image. To add an engaging touch, click on the first image and select Animate. Scroll down and apply a subtle zoom effect to each image. I recommend using the same settings I'm using. Also, ensure to click Apply to all pages for consistency. While you can experiment with various transitions, simplicity is often more effective, especially when avoiding distractions. Voiceover and music. Now, let's incorporate the voiceover into the video. Click Uploads again and upload your voiceover. Adjust its placement to avoid immediate playback when the video begins. However, you may sense something missing: background music. To find a suitable, non-copyrighted track that you can use freely on YouTube, visit Pixabay. Try searching for keywords like ancient or mysterious to discover a variety of options. I've found a track that complements this video type nicely. Download the selected track and follow the same process as with the voiceover. Upload it and apply it to the video, adjusting the music volume to maintain a balanced soundscape. Exporting the video. You've now successfully created your first faceless video. Remember that consistency and the quality of your content are paramount to outperforming competitors. Always keep this in mind. Let's take a final look.
We stand on the threshold of a new day's birth. It is in these moments that the wisdom of Stoicism can serve as our anchor, guiding us not only to endure the day, but to embrace it with strength and serenity. From the teachings of ancient sages, here are 7 practices to infuse your mornings with the profound simplicity of Stoic philosophy.